Hello, and thank you so much for enrolling in the course. This course is called Animal Communication and Telepathy. I'm your instructor and creator of the course. My name is Crystal Hutchinson Tumala. What is animal communication? Well, we know that communication between animals and owners is possible, and that's out of a sense of love for our pets. When the owner and the pet are in harmony with each other, it's much more likely that telepathic communication can occur. Animal communication has been called a connection from heart to heart, from mind to mind, or more commonly known as telepathy. There is a vibration between two living things that are willing to hear one another that makes it possible to transmit ideas, emotions, thoughts, sensations, and smells. How do animals communicate with us? There is no doubt that our animals are able to express their needs while they are deprived of the gift of speech, as they are able to show us their unconditional affection. Okay, let's talk about what we do from the beginning when we bring home a new puppy. As you know, it's quite rewarding to bring home a new dog into your house. And once you have the standard things like house training and their behavior out of the way, you can get to know your dog on a much deeper level. You can come to understand your dog's feelings. As you know, every dog has a distinctive personality. Dogs use vocal sounds, body, and facial movements to show their feelings. This has been documented, and learning what these mean is a foundation for communicating with your own doggie. So the first step, what you're going to do is observe your dog. Since each dog is special, you need to observe your dog and become very comfortable and familiar with your dog. By learning your dog's observable behavior well, you can then learn to communicate telepathically. The goal is to respond to your pet's needs quickly. Dogs feel many of the same feelings we feel. They feel restless too. They do feel stress. They feel happiness and unhappiness. Whenever you're observing your dog, if this is your first time owning your dog or you were unaware of this, dogs consider staring to be very rude. If you ever see a dog look at you and then quickly look away, they're trying to express to you that they think it's rude in a polite way. Avoid staring at the dog. They just simply consider it quite rude, and they just don't like to be stared at. And in some dogs, that's actually a form of aggression, so you certainly do not want to do that behavior toward your dog. In the next lecture, we're going to talk more about observed behavior, and we're going to talk more about what telepathy is. I will see you in the next lecture.